So a huge mistake that a lot of beginners make is when they're getting ready to launch their product and they're in product development, when it comes to the packaging, they spend too much time, effort, and resources in their packaging. I want you guys to remember that the number one goal is to understand the business, find the product, test the product, and verify the product. Those are your 4 steps. And that's the most important thing, is making sure that this product is gonna make you money. And I see so much people spending time, energy, and effort to make everything perfect. And then when they launch it, the product doesn't perform how they thought it would. So something that I do is I launch generic packaging, right? All white packaging, regular poly mailers, brown boxes. Now, don't get me wrong. Packaging is very, very important to brand trust, brand notoriety, and just customer trust. And it helps with retention and all this other advanced stuff that we'll talk about in another video. But when you're launching a product and it's your first set of launch test products, you want to make sure that the product's gonna sell and that you're gonna make money. You wanna get the product to the marketplace as fast as humanly possible and as inexpensive as humanly possible, right? Now, don't get me wrong. If your supplier is like, hey, we do packaging in-house, we can give you the packaging free of charge, it's not gonna slow stuff down, and we'll have the packaging done before your stuff's even made, then go ahead and do the packaging. But 9 times out of 10, packaging slows stuff down. For a crazy packaging, they have to go to a partner or someone outside of their own facility. And this stuff is really gonna slow stuff down. They wanna send you samples, so on and so forth. I want you guys to understand that you can change your packaging, you can change your logo, you can change the content of your product as many times as you want. So many people think what they introduced on the first launch, it has to be that forever and they can't change it. Well, that's absolutely false. You can change and you can change and improve or enhance your product or your packaging as much as you would like. So simply launch the product, test the product, get the results, and then enhance the actual product itself. That's something that I do, and it's worked very, very well. And again, how do you get the product designed? Where do you go to get the product designed? How do you find a graphic artist? So on and so forth. The way it works is they'll give you what's called a die lot, and that's the dimensions of your box. You take that to a graphic artist and they can design your box. Sometimes your supplier actually has internal graphic artists that will do this for you. They'll just ask you simple questions like what's your logo, what's your brand, what's your font, what's your colors, stuff like that. So kind of do your due diligence and identify that prior to. If not, you can go to places like Fiverr or Upwork to find someone that will do this inexpensively as well. Now, if you don't want to deal with Fiverr, you don't want to deal with Upwork, AMZ Hunter, we also offer that service as well for you guys. Check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.